स्टॉल में है और यूनियन बैंक एक्सेसिबिलिटी के लिए लीड कर रहा है इंडस्ट्री को। कई एग्जांपल सेट की हैं और राहुल गंभीर साहब हैं हमारे साथ और उनकी पूरी टीम है और राहुल हमारे पार्टनर भी हैं, दोस्त भी हैं। तो अब आपको इस बार क्या नया है, पूरा बैंक सेटअप किया है इन्होंने एक्सेसिबल, तो उस जर्नी को करवाते हैं। राहुल जी, ओवर टू यू।
Thank you, Danish bhai, and we welcome to this Union Bank of India branch at the Purple Fest. दानिश, आपने जब आप ब्रांच में आए होंगे तो सबसे पहले देखा होगा कि फ्लोर पे टेक्टाइल फ्लोरिंग है। क्या आप वो फील कर पाए?
जी जी बिल्कुल।
तो ये जो टेक्टाइल फ्लोरिंग है ये आपको अलग अलग जगह पे लीड करती है। मैं आपको एक छोटा सा ओरिएंटेशन दे देता हूँ। हमारी जो यहाँ पे ब्रांच है, सबसे पहले मे आई हेल्प यू काउंटर है, उसके बाद कैश काउंटर है, फिर ट्रेनिंग एरिया है, फिर डिजिटल लॉबी है और फिर वेटिंग एरिया है। हमने ये जो ब्रांच सेटअप की है, इस ब्रांच को सेटअप करने की जो गाइडलाइंस हैं वो DFS की 2024 की फरवरी में आई हुई गाइडलाइंस हैं। उन गाइडलाइंस के बेसिस पे हमने इस ब्रांच को सेटअप किया है। तो गाइडलाइन में जो पहला चीज़ जो लिखी है वो ये लिखी है कि जो काउंटर्स हैं वो मल्टीपल हाइट्स पे होने चाहिए। तो जैसा कि आप देख पा रहे हैं, ये जो हमारा काउंटर है ये 2 हाइट्स पे है। ये एक हाइट पे काउंटर है जिसमें खड़े होकर कोई काम करना चाहे तो कर सकता है, और दूसरा काउंटर ये लो हाइट पे है। ये लो हाइट का काउंटर रखने का जो पर्पस है कि कोई अगर व्हीलचेयर यूज़र है तो वो व्हीलचेयर यूज़र आकर आराम से काउंटर पे लिख सके और बात कर सके कस्टमर स्टाफ से जो कि उस तरफ बैठा है काउंटर के। मैं चाहूँगा कि आप वीडियो में ये भी कैप्चर करें, जो ये स्पेस है नीचे नी स्पेस दिया गया है कि व्हीलचेयर अंदर जा सके। ये DFS की गाइडलाइंस के हिसाब से हमने किया है, जिससे कि बाकी बैंक्स इसे रेप्लिकेट करें। दानिश, मैं आपको ये भी बताना चाहूँगा कि मिनिस्ट्री ने सभी बैंक्स को बोला है कि यहाँ के एक्सपीरियंस करें और DFS गाइडलाइंस को कैसे इम्प्लीमेंट करना है उसके बारे में थोड़ा और इन्फॉर्मेशन यहाँ पे प्रैक्टिकली देखें और इसको रेप्लिकेट करें। और काफ़ी सारे बैंक्स के लोग हमारे पास आ भी रहे हैं। मैं चाहूँगा कि आप कैमरे से ये भी दिखाएं कि यहाँ पर ब्रेल में मे आई हेल्प यू लिखा है और वो एक लार्ज प्रिंट में भी लिखा है, जिससे कि पर्सन विद लो विजन और पर्सन विद डिसेबिलिटी को ईजिली पता चले। हमारे काउंटर्स पे पिक्टोग्राम भी है और पिक्टोग्राम से जो कि इंटेलेक्चुअल डिसेबिलिटी वाले लोग हैं वो पिक्चर देख के समझ जाए कि ये काउंटर का मकसद क्या है, पर्पस क्या है। अब हम चलेंगे अगले काउंटर की तरफ। अगले काउंटर पे ये हमारा कैश काउंटर है। कैश काउंटर अगर आप देखें, बिल्कुल जैसे ब्रांच में कांच का शीशा होता है वो हमने बिल्कुल किया है। उसके बाद यहाँ विंडो है बात करने के लिए, और नीचे अगेन हमने नी स्पेस दिया है जिससे कि व्हीलचेयर यूज़र इजीली कैश काउंटर पे खड़ा हो सके। अब मैं अपने कलीग को पास ऑन करूँगा टू कंटिन्यू विद द कैश काउंटर।
Hello, my name is Aniket. I am marketing manager posted in Goa RLP. Okay, कैश काउंटर पे आपको ये दिख सकता है, दिस इज़ फॉर द नॉर्मल पर्सन जो हाइट और ये है, और इसमें हमने एक ये और एडिशन किया है विच इज़ फॉर द पर्सनस हु आर कमिंग ऑन द व्हील चेयर। तो इसमें आप देख सकते हैं इसकी हाइट काफ़ी नीचे है एंड द पर्सन विद द व्हील चेयर कैन ईजिली गो इनसाइड। ये थोड़ा अंदर भी डेप्थ में है। सो एक और यहाँ पे हम दिखाना चाहते हैं, दिस इज़ अ टॉकिंग कैलकुलेटर। If he has some queries regarding calculation, this calculator actually has a voice command based features. Okay, and another thing I want to just let you know, there is an app from the RBI which is free app by RBI. ये ऐप में आपका मेन फीचर होता है इंग्लिश एंड हिंदी में फॉर द डिसेबल्ड पीपल who are blind or who are deaf. There are 2 languages in this, हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश। ये ऐप का मेन पर्पस होता है इंडियन करेंसी नोट्स को आइडेंटिफाई करना। सो दिस इज़ द मेन लोगो ऑफ द ऐप। यू कैन डाउनलोड इट ऑन द प्ले स्टोर एंड द ऐप स्टोर एज वेल। दिस इज़ अ फ्री ऐप। ओके, थैंक यू। आई विल हैंड ओवर अगेन इट टू द राहुल सर।
थैंक यू। एंड मैं आपको एक और चीज़ यहाँ पे दिखाना चाहूँगा कि हमारे काउंटर्स पे हमने सिग्नेचर गाइड्स रखे हैं, और अगर आप देख पाएँ एक मैग्नीफायर है। ये मैग्नीफायर एज पर DFS गाइडलाइंस बैंक की ब्रांच में होना चाहिए। ये मैग्नीफायर भी हमने यहाँ पर रखा है। इसके अलावा यूनियन बैंक ऑफ इंडिया काफ़ी काम ट्रेनिंग के एरिया में करता है। मैं अब आपको लेके चलूँगा हमारे ट्रेनिंग जोन में, आपको ट्रेनिंग के बारे में, इनसाइड एंड क्लास आउटसाइड क्लासरूम ट्रेनिंग में हमारे यहाँ पे क्या क्या एक्टिविटीज़ होती हैं हम वो देखेंगे। विल मूव टू द ट्रेनिंग सिस्टम और वहाँ पर मैं हैंड ओवर करूँगा गोकुल जी को, जो कि रिसर्च ऑफिसर हैं ट्रेनिंग एरिया में। गोकुल जी, ओवर टू यू।
Hi, this is Gokul, Chief Manager from HR LND. I am manning the counter of learning here. With regard to learning, we have different initiatives aiming at the people with difficulties and the non-disabled. We have inclusive e-learning modules regarding inclusivity. To name a few, I can say Indian Sign Language Basics, JAWS software, disability etiquettes, and likewise. And we are having more than 100 plus e-learning modules which are accessible in a way like it is having the captions, closed captions, and also the voice overs which can be accessed by anyone, both the persons with disabilities and the non-disabled. And also we have other initiatives like the audio podcast, wherein we have we try to give the important new happenings in the industry, be it circulars which are internal or the directives from the RBI and the government, through nuggets in a format 3 to 4 minutes audio format, which is having the closed captions as well. And we are also trying for the audio description for our video podcast. We are regularly sensitizing the employees through physical training programs as well in our various 12 training centers across the country. And we are displaying here our past training programs and our inclusive
and then hand over to Prashant for the digital.
Okay, and we have this inclusive digital learning modules which I have mentioned. There are 18 numbers as of now. We have the Divya portal, that's a one-stop solution for the persons with disabilities, and we are having the LMS also, which can be accessed anytime, anywhere, and is accessible friendly. And we are also displaying few books here, like this one. If you see, this is a braille enabled handbook. Okay, and we have this in different formats to how to use a credit card. This is for an example, this is how to use a credit card, which is in braille as well as in the English language. So we have such kind of manuals as well. And we use almost all the available assistive devices like the liquid level indicator, the wheelchair, bikes, the ramps, or anyway it's their lift annunciators, and we take every possible situation to make the learning environment more inclusive. Thank you. We are going to the digital counter. Prashant sir, you are manning this.
Yeah, yes, Prashant sir is taking over. Yes, so basically we will be now heading towards digital banking zone, which is having accessibility. So what are the accessibility features in digital banking zone is Union Bank of India's website. I can show you on the screen. This is our corporate website where accessibility enhancement and WCG compliance is achieved, which is also in compliance with the IS 17802, which is a standard for accessibility in India. In addition to the corporate banking, the internet banking portal of bank is also enhanced with accessibility like keyboard accessibility, screen reader accessibility, and there is a separate web page provided so that it will guide to the customers to navigate through the internet banking portal with keyboard, with screen reader, with lot of features of accessibility. So in addition to that, there are manuals which are user manuals which are created in case of internet banking, in case of CBDC app, in case of using the internal manual for IP messenger. So this is about the portal or website. So coming to the mobile apps, the Digital Rupee app from the Union Bank of India is enhanced with accessibility. with again having special accessibility profile page. Similarly, other internal web, HRMS related portals are also enhanced. It's a regular process of keeping it developing, further enhancing accessibility. Now, about the cards, what I want to show is Union Bank of India introduced Union Spurs debit card. That was in the year 2022 with Braille as letter U and a special notch with half circle to identify bank name as well as identify the type of the card. And 2025 October, we are happy to have this newer version of the card of credit card type, which is having squarish notch and in Braille UBI written. So we are able to provide both the debit and credit card in accessible format for visually impaired customers. Then the talking ATM is one of the important area of accessibility, where in 2012, 6th of June, Union Bank of India introduced India's first talking ATM, and today we have good number of talking ATM, large number of talking ATMs, which are again as a model talking ATM followed by IBA as one of the standard. And we are here demonstrating a talking ATM, which is providing the same experience of a live talking ATM in the field. The most important and the very excited thing in this is about the accessible POS machine, which is having feature of touchscreen accessible POS made fully accessible with enhancement of accessibility features, and which Prathamesh is able to explore. So it is a machine which is used by the merchant to provide you the code. The most important challenge is if we used to have those tactile keypad, we used to at least have the 5-number dot and able to do the pinning independently. But now, considering the latest so many versions of POS machines which all are with the touch screen, it has become a major barrier for us to have the independent transaction. Sharing our PIN was the privacy breach. But now this one of the innovation, and this is one of the first version, and we are really open for feedback for further enhancement with the help of our vendor. Union Bank of India is demonstrating this accessible touchscreen POS machine. Key features are it is voicing out the entered amount, and the pin pad functionality is having Braille support, and the double tap or the touchscreen usage with double tapping. There is no spoken digit right now. We got also good feedback to have hidden kind of a keypad. We are definitely considering that. And then the success of the transaction or the failure of the transaction is also voiced out. So this voicing out of the transaction and the PIN entry with independence are the two accessibility innovations product features that we are able to demonstrate. So these are the overall yes. Then if you go to the waiting area of the branch, definitely you need to have the armrest chairs. You need to have the open area for persons who are using wheelchair to have their parking of the wheelchair. That is also considered and demonstrated in this area. Signages are important in case of any branch, so that people having a large font as well as good contrast signages for the counters. So we have taken care of having large font, good contrast, as well as the pictogram. So pictogram are the pictures. So some people are able to locate counters by seeing at the picture. So that is also added in this. In addition, even the Braille labels are also there on the counters. What we have, say, digital learning, digital accessible area or training area or cash or single window or may I help desk. So these are the overall area of accessibility in accessible branch banking, including digital access, including infrastructure access. The most important part, as we have highlighted, is the training and awareness aspect. That's most important. Wonderful. Human support we have to develop, because unless our branch people are not sensitized, exercise, and it should be a regular activity, and through multiple channels one has to keep on doing it. Through our internal staff also we have to spread the awareness through our social media channels, through our internal webinars, special days we can celebrate, make an event to talk about disability, to spread the awareness. Even I'm sure ki in this area we are proud to have AGMO with us. So the people like AGMO are also creating a lot of awareness. Their achievements are celebrated, and leadership support is of course with this required for all this setting up of this accessibility implementation policy change. We are also happy to talk about that because policy level, circular levels, you need to have everything black and white. So we have equal opportunity policy, we have information technology policy, we have digital accessibility policy, we are having the maiden accessibility policy. So that's also required because that will also carry on for the future members to know and refer, or even coming out with the circulars, SOP for what we have come out. Like for Spurs we have come out with the SOP, because then branches will come to know what exactly the process to address if somebody is coming with the request. NDFDC we have come out with the circulars and the features. So this is about accessible branch. We are able to demonstrate, and we are happy that this is covered by Radio Udaan team, because we have very good reach, and your words are really taken up as a very credible words. Thank you so much.